Happy Veterans Day from the USS Michael Murphy. As we are deployed on the other side of the globe, separated from friends and family and without regular contact with loved ones at home, your support is paramount to our success. Receiving items of all shapes and sizes helps boost morale and the overall outlook of my crew. Snacks give an energy boost after a long day. Toiletry and healthcare items replace what is run out, which is needed, especially at times when we are underway for many months without a port visit to replenish. Coloring pages, art supplies, activity books, DVDs, and novels give a mental break from our work that can be 7 days a week, 18 to 20 hours a day.
Thank you so much. It's nice to know that people are actually out there thinking about us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the care packages. I really enjoyed the color pencils and the coloring books. Really helped relieve stress.
It's nice to see different snacks on board.
I'm grateful for all of the toiletries that are being sent over because I just ran out of body wash.
The packages are a great reminder that we're not forgotten by our loved ones back home.
Thank you, City Baking Angels!
Blessings